So this is the electrical box, the junction box for the dishwasher, and we're not technically allowed to use Romex cable. You would need to have either a conduit or a actual appliance cable to plug in under the sink. They use tape. They probably just twisted the wires together. We'll find out. This is not good. You don't know until you know. You know? I mean, it makes sense to just connect the wires and protect them. But something probably happened at one time which created the code, because it's not really the best connection. And if you have a loose connection on wiring, you're going to end up with heat. And then the worst thing is there's no protection right here for the cable. So the vibration from the dishwasher, it could eventually wear a hole through the insulation and create a short, which then either creates fire or electrocution. Because we don't know if it's on a GFCI circuit or not. And this is what they used for protection. But it was loose, it wasn't holding it into place, so when you pull it out, push it in, the position's going to change. Bad thing is I don't have any wire nuts with me, and this isn't rigid wire right here, so I don't think I'm going to be able to stick it into the connectors that I have in my bag. We'll have to see. I don't even know if these are. I don't know if you can use these with. It probably has to be solid wire. It's probably not. You're probably not. Oh, it says stranded. So we can use stranded in them. I don't know if it'll. I don't know if you can press them in. Just press the stranded strands in or not. We'll try it. Oh wow, it worked. That's impressive. I didn't know that you could use stranded wire in these. I always soldered them first. Wow, and it's holding. Let's see if we let's see if this works, if this will fit, and this will keep the cable from, oh yeah, this will keep the Romex from being pulled out until we can get the proper cable to go on this dishwasher. And this will protect the insulation as well as the connections inside the box, so they don't get pulled out if someone tries pulling the dishwasher out. cord's not long enough, but we probably need 6 inches of length for this junction box. I don't know. But this is just temporary. We'll get our dishwasher going. And then come back and change out the cable. Cover back on. So we got hot, neutral, and our ground on. We have our cable retention nut on there. So now let's install the cover. Everything should be good. And that's it. So now instead of just the cable flopping around, it is retained. We'll get that new cable on there in a couple days.